In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail forwarding. If your messages aren't landing in the inbox you expect, we'll walk through the essential settings and a few common blockers so your mail starts moving where it should. First, turn on forwarding, which is the main fix for most issues. Open Gmail and click the gear icon to open settings. Choose See All Settings, then go to the Forwarding and PAPI/IMAP tab. Click Add a forwarding address. Type the destination email you want to forward to, then confirm. Gmail will send a verification message to that address. Open that inbox, find the verification email, and use the code or the link provided to verify. Back in Gmail, return to the same tab and select Forward a copy of incoming mail. Finally, click Save Changes. Forwarding won't work unless it's both enabled and verified, so don't skip that confirmation step. Also, keeping a copy in Gmail helps you maintain a backup. That's why selecting Forward a copy is important. If you rely on auto-forwarding based on rules, check your filters next. Go to Settings again, then Filters and Blocked Addresses. Look through your filters carefully. You're looking for any rule that might skip the inbox, delete messages, or redirect them away from the forwarding address you set. If a filter is misconfigured, edit it to match your forwarding setup, or delete it if it's not needed. Filters are powerful, but the wrong condition can silently stop forwarding, especially if a filter is set to archive or trash messages before Gmail can forward them. Next, check spam and blocked senders. Open your spam folder in the left sidebar to see if expected messages are landing there. Emails in spam typically won't forward. Then, in Settings under Filters and Blocked Addresses, review the blocked addresses list. If a sender you need is blocked, remove the block so Gmail can process and forward those messages normally. Finally, if forwarding still seems unreliable, clear your browser cache. Open your browser settings, clear cache and cookies, and then reload Gmail. Sometimes outdated cached data causes settings pages to behave inconsistently. After clearing, revisit your forwarding tab to make sure your choices are still saved and verified. That's it. By enabling and verifying forwarding, reviewing filters, checking spam and blocked senders, and refreshing your browser environment, you'll resolve the most common reasons Gmail forwarding fails. Take a moment to confirm each area, and you should see your messages flow to the right place consistently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get your inbox back on track.